I'm really looking forward to speaking to Partners in Performance today. They're a very successful management consulting firm, but like many very busy people, they are often very time short, travel a lot, away from their loved ones, and often feel that some things are outside their control. I really want to get them to focus on little things to boost their own mood and performance. I'm really looking forward to it. Everyone has a plan until they get punched in the face. You know, we can have the best plans, whether it's for ourselves, whether it's for our teams, whether it's for our organisation, but things happen unexpectedly sometimes. And I think part of self-care, resilience and growth is having things in place that allow us to bounce back from that.
It really reminded me of, what's the one thing that I really care about? There's so many things that happen in our lives with work and family, but what's that one thing? And that's family for me, and making sure that my family, my wife are feeling cared for and safe and secure. Then what are the things that I'm going to do differently?
Self-care isn't selfish, because if we don't look after ourselves, we can't look after other people. And if we do look after ourselves, it increases the likelihood that we can be resilient. Resilience is the capacity to try new things, to bounce back, to have a growth mindset. And I think this is absolutely essential to thriving in today's economy. And thinking about that team that was special, what was it that made it special? Trust, always a huge one. Yeah. Positivity, very much so. Mutual respect, totally. How can we bring more of that back into our teams, our work life, and even our home life, and have more person-to-person interaction and support?
So I've already written down on my piece of paper the 2 things that I want to do and talk with my wife about.
Duke University says that 40% of what we do every day is habits or rituals. And these are what I think are important rituals. Number 1 is live your one thing. Number 2 is refuel daily. Number 3 is nurture self. Play to strengths. Have a mindset of progress is better than perfection. Next one is ask, are you okay? And the final part is to be true to yourself.
And if we make those rituals stick, we're practicing self-care. And if we practice self-care, team care almost happens automatically. And a caring and supportive team is the number 1 predictor of innovation and success. Be caring, be helpful, and go for the growth zone.